favorite birds is the crested caracara, or the wara wara as we call them here. These are big, beautiful birds that look like birds of prey, but they're actually scavengers. In fact, they're so frequently scavenging on the ground that they prefer to walk rather than fly for their food. I see them often in the Washington Slag Binational Park. In fact, if you climb banderas, up there you often see them flying about, soaring about, looking for dead animals, because that's what they love to feed on. You can also find them on the Lagadishi walking trail, just about any trail in the park. You can even see them just from the road. As you're driving along, you'll see a pair, and they often hop away, and they're very curious. They'll look around and see. They don't often fly away unless they're really afraid. So these birds are often in dry forest areas, and they're really common in this part of Bonaire. I hope you get to see one of these.